welcome back to Travel with Tay Tay. I just wanted to share with you a supermarket haul. Oh, my sweet Jesus. Yes. Okay, so, all right, I needed some seasonings, right? I can't wait to go back to my place and get my seasonings because it's like starting all over. Okay, so, is that it? No. Okay, so I don't know where it is, but I think that was, these are bay leaves. It's not even on here. Oh, I got some bay leaves for free. There it is right here, 75. So, just to give you all some numbers, this is 75 Delassi. This is 270, right? This is 180, 80, and 90, right? So, let's do some math. We already know 50 Delassi divided by, so 50 Delassi is $1, right? So, for example, this is $2. $2, y'all. $2, right? I don't know about y'all, but I can get mine for 50 Delassi, which is $1 in America. Shipping container, shipping container, shipping container. I'm not playing. So, this is 80. This is 80. So, it's over $1. I mean, it's a nice size. Over $1. And this is 90. This baby right here, if I had some brown sugar, I would have made my own barbecue sauce because I have more than enough ketchup. But this is 270. 270. So 200 divided by 50 is 4, so it's at least $4. 50, $5, right? $5 and some change. $5 and some change. So y'all know we can get this at Costco for like $8, $8 or $9 for 2, right? I'm just letting you all know, if you are coming, get a shipping container, bring your stuff over. I want to do more like a business, but bring your stuff over because this is what you're going to be paying for seasoning. I don't want to pay this.